Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Wali. Today we will learn how to learn English. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. What are the tips and tricks? Follow me and think in English. Think in English to make sentences naturally. Number two, practice daily. If you do practice daily, speak English at least 30 minutes every day. Number three, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Listen to English videos, podcasts, songs, and repeat sentences. Number four, speak with a partner or family members. Number five, use English in daily life. Use simple sentences in a greeting and small talk. Number six, learn common phrases. Learn common sentences and expression use daily life. Number seven, record yourself. Record your voice and listen to improve pronunciation and fluency. Number eight, think aloud. Speak your thought or activities in English. Number nine, don't fear. Don't fear mistakes. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be. Number 10, use language apps. Use apps like Duolingo, Hello Talk, BBC, Learning English. If you like my videos, so follow me and subscribe my channel. See you next videos. Thank you for watching.